today's activity pack that goes along with the book Jessica's Box by Peter Carnavas, you will find a pattern to make a box. So cut out along the blue lines. Careful in the corners. There you go. You've got it. So inside this box, we're going to put the things that really make us who we are. Maybe we're animal lovers. Maybe we're artists. Maybe we're dreamers. Maybe we're people that love to draw and doodle. Those are all things that can go inside our box. Those are things that people might not realize about us just by looking at us. That's it. Fold down the corners. Fold all along the orange lines. There you go. You got it. Fold on the orange lines. Put glue where it says glue. Any old glue will work, but Miss Kim really likes the Elmer's stick glue. That's it. Glue it down. And then we're going to leave it for just a few minutes, maybe about 20 minutes. Come back and it should be dry. And on the outside of the box, we're going to write what people see without really knowing us. Maybe you have brown hair, maybe you have blue eyes, maybe you might write, I'm a boy or I'm a girl. And decorate the box however you want. Now I want you to get 3 or 4, maybe 5 sheets of paper, just little slips of paper, and write on it those things that people might not know just by looking at you on the outside. Maybe, like I said, you're an artist or an animal lover, but there you go.